Alrighty, what is up? 40 Roll Productions is back once again, and today we are headed to College Park for a meet. It is July 3rd, so you guys will probably be seeing this tomorrow, so happy 4th of July, everybody. So I'm just gonna go over to my work, meet up with Vince, and then we're gonna go to this meeting. Let's go.
Do you slide on all your knives like this? Do you try on all your knives like this?
So we're on our way now. We're headed to College Park. Should be interesting. It's gonna be pretty sweet. I looked at their Instagram. They got some badass cars. What's the name of it? Shit. I already told you guys earlier that I couldn't remember what the name of it was. I'm sorry, okay? But
You're so sorry.
I'm so sorry. But you just have to wait. Maybe I'll say it later. Who knows? I forgot the goddamn suction cup mount, and I thought that I could make it by just sitting it up here on the dash, but it's not working, so I'm done with the time lapse, okay? I'm just done with it. Screw it. If there's anything cool on the way there, I'll stop and videotape it. If not, I'll see you when we get there.
It's lit, it's lit.
All right, we made it to the meet. We parked right next to the drive-thru here.
Hey, shit's crammed for space, son.
Yeah, it is. There's really no space in here at all, but there's some badass cars here though. Okay.
That's what we like to see. That's what we like to see.
God! I can't see shit. I can't even see this. Woo! All right. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, man.
Hell yeah.
V6 need love.
That's right.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh Lord, this fuck. I'm not stopping. I am not stopping.
World Star.
World Star.
Dude, this fucking Chrysler is Fuck yeah.
I love it. I love it out here because there's just so many people doing burnouts and it's just so casual. And if we were back in Carroll County, it's like they even hear a tire chirp, and it's like
for sure
all of Carroll County's police officers are there.
Oh yeah, it's like holy shit, is there 6 right next to Taco Bell right now?
There's 6 right next to Taco Bell. I heard someone did a burnout. Let's get everybody down there.
Dump the fucking station. We need to go fucking apprehend these assholes.
This meet has officially turned into a burnout competition, it seems like. So, let's see what this challenger can do. What do you think, Vince? How's he gonna do?
I don't know, I feel like he's gonna rip a fucking mean one, so. That sticker adds 5 horsepower. That's definitely gonna come in real good handy here.
Okay. Okay.
This should be nice.
This is gonna be my next project right here. Another one that's
That's the best one-wheel peel I've ever seen. God damn. If you guys are still watching this, I appreciate you. Yeah. So the cops are officially here. They're not doing anything. They're just looking
they're
around.
getting some Burger King.
Yeah, they're just getting some BK.
It's all good.
Going through the drive-thru. It's all good.
Slowest car here.
What's up, buddy?
What's up, man?
Hey, after this car, you're good. Alright, we're out. We're tired. We'll see how this goes. See you guys. See you later.
Bye, baby. Thank you for coming.
Yep, I love it. I'll be back.
Thank you.
That's a wrap. All right, everybody. So it has been a fantastic night out here in College Park.
Oh, hell yeah.
It could not have been better. I absolutely love these meets. And once again, I forget what the name of it was. What was it? The Beltway Bullies.
Yeah.
American, it's like American cars. There's a couple of foreign cars, but mostly American cars. A lot of Mopar.
Oh, yeah.
Alan would be in heaven. But yep, it's been a good night. This is probably going to be one of our better videos. If you guys stuck around to the end, kudos to you. All right, so if you guys enjoyed what you see today, please give this video a like and subscribe, and we'll catch you later.
I told you the laser was going off.
Alrighty, so
Fuck me.
you guys thought the video was over. It is not. We are currently getting pulled over.
Fuck yeah. That's what I like to see.
You're damn right. How fast are you going?
Like
We thought we were done with that video, but shit happens.
yeah. I like it because like in College Park you can do burnouts and shit and do dumb shit and the cop just sits there and watches, and then you go a little fast up in Carroll County and immediately pull the fuck
we were
over.
doing 15 over. All right.
Yeah, like I was
15
just
over.
fucking cruising. But
Like
yeah.
that's a warning, but I don't know. Pull this guy over for having his fucking light bar on.